In this video, we are going to study electric field intensity due to two thin infinite plane parallel sheets of charge. Means two plane parallel sheets which are infinite in its expansion or area, which is placed parallel to each other, and the electric field of this particular assembly. So first we will start by studying individual sheets. See, I am taking it one by one. Consider sheet A. Sheet A. Alright. This sheet of some uniform charge distribution having charge density, if I say this is sigma 1. This is sigma 1. This surface charge density. The electric field due to this infinite is just because it is infinite, the electric field will be directed perpendicularly outside. If I say this electric field is E1, here, here and anywhere in this sheet, at this sheet, it is always directed perpendicular to this sheet. So this is E1. Any other sheet, if I say another sheet, this sheet having surface charge density sigma 2. Alright, so this will again be directed outward. Electric fields will be directed outward. Now we are going to place these two sheets parallel to each other. I am making it with two different colors so that you can easily verify. Now here first make the figure. This is our first sheet, this one, having charge density sigma 1. It has electric field E1 plus infinite sheet is this. It is electric field is E1 directed this here E1 and here E1 also, like this. Now this one, make this sheet. Alright, now for this electric field will be E2 away from this sheet, normal E2, and here sigma 2 is its surface charge density. Now we will consider electric field in three different regions. Region 1 is this first region, region 2 is this, region 3 is this. Three different regions. So for this we have considered we will write sigma 1 is uniform surface density of charge on sheet A. Charge on sheet A. This one is our sheet A, this one is our sheet B. Charge on A. Sigma 2 uniform surface density of charge on B. Very simple. These two are the charge densities. Alright. As we know from our theory part that even the field due to first sheet can be written as E1 sigma 1 upon 2 epsilon naught. Similarly, E2 can be written as sigma 2 upon 2 epsilon naught. So these will be the electric field intensities जो हमने पहले भी पढ़ा है. Now what will be the directions and what will be the resultants in these three regions? For this region, E1 is this. Now we will make E2. E2 देखिए ये E2 यहाँ पे है फील्ड, तो यही E2 बढ़ते बढ़ते यहाँ भी आएगा. सो E2 विल डायरेक्टेड हियर ऑल्सो, E2 हियर. E1 is here, E2 is this direction. So in between, E2 is directed here from right to left, and E1 is directed here from left to right, E1. And similarly here, E2 is directed from left to right, E1 is also directed, यहाँ से निकलेगी लाइन्स ऐसे होके, तो E1 is also directed in this direction, लेफ्ट टू राइट. तो इस रीजन में E2 इधर, E1 इधर. इस रीजन में E1 और E2 दोनों एक दूसरे के अपोजिट दिशा में बीच वाले में, और इसमें दोनों एक तरफ लेफ्ट साइड में. अब चूंकि E1 एंड E2 आर vectors, so we have to consider directions also. If I am considering this direction as positive, this direction positive direction, and this direction negative direction. So now we will study it region wise. In region first region, this one, E1 इधर, E2 इधर, both are negative. ठीक है, E1 E2 दोनों हमने ये वाली कन्वेंशन से ये वाली डायरेक्शन निगेटिव, इधर वाली पॉजिटिव माना है. इन रीजन 1 इट इज निगेटिव. सो E first will be minus E1 just because it is in directed right to left, minus E2. होना इनको ऐड चाहिए था, but minus sign is also there. So this will be, E1 is here, minus में sigma 1 to epsilon naught, minus sigma 2 to epsilon naught. Or we can write minus 1 upon 2 epsilon naught sigma 1 plus sigma 2. Take common. This is our equation A. Alright. So this is our equation A. Now in region 2. In region 2. Second region, E1 is directed left to right, E1 ये बना है. So it is positive. E2 is directed right to left, so it is negative, just because we have considered it as negative direction. E2 इधर से इधर को है. देखिए किसी भी शीट से चूंकि पॉजिटिव है तो हमेशा उससे दूर की ओर रे निकलती है. इस वाली शीट से 2 रे निकल रही हैं सेम टाइप की दूर, इस वाली शीट से E2 निकल रही हैं दूर. ये फील्ड लाइन्स हैं, ठीक है ना. तो रीजन 2, E1 इज पॉजिटिव, सो रीजन 2 के लिए हम ऐसे लिख लेते हैं, E2 इज इक्वल्स टू, मतलब सेकेंड रीजन इज इक्वल्स टू E1 minus E2, just because E2 is in negative direction. So sigma 1 upon 2 epsilon naught minus sigma 2 upon 2 epsilon naught. This one is positive, this one is negative. So 1 by 2 epsilon naught sigma 1 minus sigma 2. This is equation B. Alright. So this is for second region. This is for, sorry, with minus sign. This is for first region. Now third region. In region 3, see, both E1 and E2 are in positive direction, so simply add up. E3 will be E1 plus E2. Alright, so sigma 1 upon 2 epsilon naught plus sigma 2 upon 2 epsilon naught, so it will be 1 upon 2 epsilon naught sigma 1 plus sigma 2. So this is the required relation for third region. Alright. So these are 3 different electric field at 3 different positions, here, here and here. Now some special case is also there. We will see it. Special case. What is this special case? When these two sheets are having different signs, since you have understood, that's why I am not using 2 pens. Here I am considering an assembly of different type of charges. It is region 1, it is region 2, it is region 3. For this assembly, we are going to apply our previous knowledge. So first write equation ABC. Equation A, what was that? For region 1, E first was minus 1 upon 2 epsilon naught sigma 1 plus sigma 2. Equation B, what was that? E2, second region, 1 by 2 epsilon naught sigma 1 minus sigma 2. You don't have to learn it, you just have to understand the directions. Equation C, 1 upon 2 epsilon naught, simply sigma 1 plus sigma 2. These are charge densities. Now we will apply this here. See, I am considering this sheet having charge density sigma 1 is equals to sigma positive and sigma. Equal charge density is also here, but the sign is different. Sigma 2 is equals to minus sigma. यहाँ पे जो sigma 2 की वैल्यू होनी चाहिए थी that is minus sigma, and यहाँ जो sigma 1 होना चाहिए था that is sigma. Alright, so put all these values here only. So we will get E1 is equals to, put for first region सिग्मा की 1 की जगह सिग्मा और सिग्मा 2 की जगह, अब देखिए यहाँ पे रखने के लिए क्या है, सिग्मा 2 की जगह माइनस सिग्मा पुट कर दीजिए. फॉर दिस रीजन 1 सिग्मा प्लस माइनस सिग्मा माइनस 1 अपॉन 2 एप्सिलॉन नॉट, सिग्मा 1 की जगह सिग्मा प्लस सिग्मा 2 की जगह माइनस सिग्मा. सो इट विल बी 0, कैंसिल आउट. सिमिलरली फॉर रीजन 2, रीजन 2 के लिए क्या था, 1 अपॉन 2 एप्सिलॉन नॉट था और सिग्मा 1 माइनस सिग्मा 2 था. सो पुट सिग्मा 1 एज सिग्मा और माइनस सिग्मा 2 एज माइनस सिग्मा. सो इट विल बी माइनस माइनस प्लस 2 सिग्मा अपॉन 2 एप्सिलॉन नॉट, और सिंपली सिग्मा अपॉन एप्सिलॉन नॉट विच इज अ कांस्टेंट. वी विल सी इट, अभी हम देखेंगे. थर्ड रीजन राइट साइड वाला, which is 1 upon 2 epsilon naught sigma 1 plus sigma 2. So put sigma 1 is equal to sigma, sigma 2 equals to minus sigma. So it is 2 epsilon naught sigma minus sigma. So it is 0 again. So here E first is equals to 0, E third is equals to 0, यानी प्लस माइनस जब कर देते हैं और इक्वल चार्ज रखते हैं, इक्वल चार्ज डेंसिटीज़ की शीट्स रखते हैं, चार्ज नहीं चार्ज डेंसिटीज़, तो यहाँ पे 0 फील्ड होता है, यहाँ 0 फील्ड होता है, एंड हियर फील्ड इज कांस्टेंट. E इज इक्वल्स टू कांस्टेंट. हमने देखा कितना आया है. E सेकेंड इज कांस्टेंट. E सेकेंड की वैल्यू वॉज सिग्मा अपॉन एप्सिलॉन नॉट इन बिटवीन दिस. सो विल राइट फील्ड इंटेंसिटीज between such sheets having equal and opposite uniform charge densities or uniform surface charge densities. Equal and opposite uniform surface charge densities becomes constant. क्या हो जाता है फील्ड बीच में, कांस्टेंट. सो वी कैन ड्रॉ दिस फील्ड लाइन एज considering this as positive having charge density sigma, this as negative having charge density minus sigma. ऑलराइट, सो फील्ड हम बीच में रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं पैरेलल लाइंस से. जब शीट्स इक्वल चार्ज डेंसिटी की हों, एक दूसरे से सेपरेटेड हों, इनफाइनाइट हों, तो ऐसे में बीच में कैसा फील्ड होता है, यूनिफॉर्म फील्ड होता है, और उसकी वैल्यू कितनी होती है, या ई सेकेंड लिखें या केवल ई लिख दें, इट इज सिग्मा अपॉन एप्सिलॉन नॉट। इट इज द केस ऑफ कैपेसिटर्स। कैपेसिटर्स आपने सुना होगा, हम आगे चल के पैरेलल प्लेट कैपेसिटर्स पढ़ेंगे, तो ये वही उसी का एप्लीकेशन, ये उसी का फॉर्मेशन है कि कैसे वहाँ बीच में यूनिफॉर्म फील्ड होता है। ऑलराइट, थैंक यू।